Hello Pilates and yoga lovers, welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. This is going to be a gentle yoga for back pain, so get your mat ready and join me. Okay friends, let's start hands and knees. Your hands should be leveled on your shoulder and your hips on your knees as you round your shoulders, belly button in, and as you exhale, gently look up to lift your head up. Inhale in to pull your belly button in, and exhale as you look up to arch your low back to feel that lovely stretch. If you have back spasm, stiffness, and aches, this is the perfect way to start your day or to end your day. And now gently sit down to go down to a child pose on your heels as you slowly lengthen your low back, upper back, and neck. And let go all the worries away and breathe. As you slowly lower yourself on your stomach, we are just letting go more, placing your hands on your side and inhale and exhale on your stomach position. This will help relieve any tension on your back. Now gently place your elbows on your forearm and slowly look up to slowly lengthen and stretch your upper back and low back area. As you take a deep breath and exhale in this position, we're gonna reach over to your left as you cross your right arm over, and you take a deep breath and exhale going back, and twist to the other side, this time from your left side to the right. Inhale and exhale back to the center. Now gently bend your knees and your toes pointing towards you to stretch your quads. As you exhale, going down your knees and looking up as you bend. So slowly go down as you lower your feet down in a V position, and exhale as you point your toes towards your low back. Inhale down and exhale up. Feel that beautiful low back stretch. Inhale down and exhale up. You will also feel a deep hip flexor stretch as you bend. One more time. Inhale. Now you slowly pull yourself up on your hands this time as much as you can, keeping your hips on the mat to make sure you're not utilizing your hip but focusing on your low back area. And slowly go down. Exhale, bending your elbows towards your back. Inhale, look up. Slow and easy. Don't push it too fast. You want to make sure you feel what's good on your back as you release anything that's going down your leg. This is a gentle back extension that we utilize for anyone with sciatica as well. One last time. And then slowly bend your knees and alternating back extension to bend and extend. Inhale and exhale up and blow. Slow and easy down. Inhale down and exhale up. Feel that beautiful stretch on your low back and down. So it's an alternating extension and bending. And hold it for a few deep breaths. Inhale and exhale down. Feel that gentle hold at the end range of stretching. And down. Inhale up slowly and exhale down. And now gently place your head down with your elbows bent on your forearm as you bend your knee. As you reach bending, you're going to slowly separate your feet apart to stretch your low back and your gluteus medius. So you open while your knees are bent. Inhale, and then you exhale, going back to the center with your feet. Still in a bent position, we're going to open and close a couple of times in this position. And exhale back. Inhale, open your feet apart while we're lying on your stomach. And exhale back. Inhale. And exhale. Slow and easy on your knees as well as your low back. This is a lovely stretch as you lower your feet down. This time we're going to reach on your feet, bend it again, and this is a lovely cobra pose as you slightly extend and bend your knees. So you're looking up to extend your low back and you're gently pulling it with your hands to further stretch your deep hip flexors and quads. You can try as much as you can. If this is too difficult, you just continue with bending your knee only. Now slowly go back to child pose position to stretch your low back. And let's hold it for 2 deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. One more breath. Inhale and exhale. Now let's go back to your hands and knees. We're going to do a gentle trunk twist, left and right, to slowly relieve any stiffness on your trunk area, your ribs, and your low back, all the way down to your hips. So you twist to one side with breathing and exhale as you go back in the middle, and you inhale back out to the opposite side. So twist to the right, keeping your hands and knees stable. You're shifting your body weight mostly on your shoulders and your hips. And now slowly we're going to do a gentle trunk twist, lifting your left arm first if you like. As you go up and twist to the other side, exhale. This is great for anyone with tight thoracic spine. So twist to the left, inhale, and exhale back down. Inhale, slowly go up with the other arm, and exhale, going down and blow. Slow and easy as you reach, and you follow your hand with your eye gaze, so it's great for your neck as well. Inhale and exhale, and now slowly we're gonna go back again to child pose. This gentle yoga flow is perfect with any stiffness on your spine, and if you want to take an easy yoga to start your day. Now we're going to start with a lunge position to stretch your hip flexors. So slowly bend your knee and place your hand on the mat beside your foot as you trunk twist to the right and hold it there, and reach forward as well, and slowly go back to pointing to the ceiling. So going down for a gentle trunk twist in. Inhale and exhale to slowly trunk twist out, and follow your hand with your eye gaze so you have a gentle stretch on your neck as well. And as you slowly overhead reach, you go back up and down to the mat. As you slowly extend your hamstrings, this is a beautiful forward fold in sitting. As you sit on your heel on your right and extend your left knee. Inhale and exhale and blow. Now gently we're going to twist to the other side for the opposite lunge position. And again we're going to do a trunk twist on one side while we are in the lunge position. As you exhale, reaching forward. Inhale, pointing to the ceiling. And then exhale, we're going to slowly twist in, thread it in underneath your thigh, and exhale up. You're going to try your best to balance yourself in that position. And then overhead reach again, and then gently place your hand back to the mat as we slowly lengthen our hamstrings and gently sit on your heel on your left. Inhale and exhale. feel that beautiful stretch on your hamstrings. Inhale back to the center and blow towards the child pose position, and release again any spasm on your back. Inhale and exhale in this beautiful child pose again to release any stiffness and aches on your back, shoulders. And now we're gonna slowly gently lie on your back as we are slowly gonna stretch our glutes. You can start on your left knee to chest and hug it towards your chest with your hands, pulling it gently. And you take a deep breath as you pull it out slowly to the side and extend your other arm out, and you follow your right arm with your eye gaze to stretch your neck muscle. And exhale back again to the center as you pull it inward this time with your right hand and extend with your left hand and exhale. And then back again to the center to stretch your knee. Now this time your right knee to chest with your hands as you inhale and exhale. Extend your left hand out, elbow, follow with your eye gaze as you open your right knee out to stretch your hip groin area as well. Inhale and exhale back to your knee to chest to stretch your glutes more. Now slowly pull it inward. On your left hand, pull as you turn your head to the right and extend. Slowly bend both knees this time to feel both hips now to your chest, knee to chest, and feel that beautiful low back stretch and your glutes as you release all the stiffness and aches. If you sit a lot at work, this is great to do every single day. Now slowly rock side to side, slowly self-massage yourselves. And now slowly lift your head up to further stretch your neck all the way to your low back for a beautiful deeper stretch. Inhale and exhale and blow. Now cross your left leg over your right. Figure 4, your ankles resting on your knee as you hug your knees to your chest. Inhale and exhale. And for a deeper stretch, you can lift your head up as well to further stretch your low back and your piriformis muscle on your buttock. Deep inside, there's some tiny muscle there that gets stiff and it irritates the sciatic nerve. And now let's switch it up to the other leg. And then hug your knees to your chest. Figure 4. Inhale and exhale. And slowly progress for a deeper stretch by lifting your head up off the mat. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale down your feet as we slowly stretch for a butterfly stretch with your feet together, and slowly rock side to side for a self-massage on the mat. It feels so good on your hips and low back area. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly separate your feet apart, keeping your knees bent for a happy baby stretch. And then gently rock again left and right for a beautiful self-massage for your low back, hips. And now slowly lengthen your left knee for a deep hamstring stretch, keeping the other knee bent for low back support. Hold it there for a few deep breaths and slowly exhale to pull it inward to feel a beautiful IT band stretch as well as a gentle sciatic nerve glide. And exhale out to further stretch the hip adductors and hamstrings. Inhale and exhale. Go back to the center as you further stretch your hamstrings for a deeper stretch, and then slowly lower your right knee to further stretch your hamstrings on your left. Inhale and exhale and pull it back again for a gentle past midline and open again for a hip adductor stretch. and back to the center, and cross it over the other leg to slowly twist your hip in. As you extend the other arm out, inhale and exhale. Feel the beautiful stretch as you twist your body, your hips, and your hamstrings. And slowly go back to the center. And let's do it on the other leg for a hamstring stretch with your knee bent to support your spine. To slowly stretch your hamstrings. Inhale and exhale as we pull it more and hold it and slowly twist it out for your hip adductor stretch. And exhale. And slowly release all the aches and stiffness as you go further in, twist it past midline for a hip, sciatic nerve, and IT band stretch. And now slowly go back in the middle to further stretch and lower the other leg to further challenge your flexibility as you go out and in, side to side, and feel that beautiful ending of our yoga for back pain and stiffness and aches. And now cross it over to the opposite leg as we slowly twist it out and look away from the knee bend, and your head and your hand stretch out. With your breaths and mind and body awareness, keeping your breaths with your movement as you exhale to release more of your tension. And that's it. Thanks again for joining me. It was such a pleasure sharing this beautiful experience with you as we start our weekend healthier. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthier you. And if you love this video, please like and subscribe my channel and ring the notification bell as we learn more about Pilates, yoga, and physical therapy. If you're interested for my upcoming course, click the link down below and there's an early bird waitlist for the class that I'm preparing for each one of you regarding physical therapy, yoga, and Pilates. Namaste. Until next time, bye!